In today's video, I will teach you how to use filters in Gimp. Let's get started. The realm of image editing often starts as a hobby or a source of creative enjoyment, with artistic filters being a captivating gateway into the world of visual manipulation. Gimp, a popular open-source image editor, provides a diverse array of filters ranging from artistic effects to technical pixel manipulations. Understanding how to navigate and use these filters is crucial for those beginning their image editing journey. So here's how to use filters in Gimp. Filters in Gimp are located in the Filters menu, encompassing various categories like blur, enhance, artistic, and more. The Python foo and script foo submenus are reserved for advanced users utilizing Python or Gimp scripting for batch editing. Applying a filter involves selecting the desired filter from the menu, leading to a customization dialog for adjusting settings. Filters generally work on the active layer, and effects are previewed before final application. Here are 7 popular and useful filters in Gimp. The first one is Gaussian blur. Go to the menu bar, go to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian blur. It adds a soft blur with variable strength. The second one is Unsharp mask. Go to Filters, Enhance, then Sharpen or Unsharp mask. Unsharp mask enhances edge contrast for sharpening images. The third one is Lens distortion. Go to Filters, Distort, then Lens distortion. Lens distortion corrects or creates lens distortion effects. The fourth one is Gradient flare. Go to Filters, Light and Shadow, then Gradient flare. This one generates lens flares for cinematic aesthetics. The fifth one is Cartoon. Go to Filters, Artistic, then Cartoon. This one creates an ink-like effect with outline color segments. The sixth one is Cubism. Go to Menu, go to Filters, Artistic, then Cubism. This one converts images into randomly rotated squares for a geometric effect. And the last one is Old Photo. Go to Filters, Decor, then Old Photo. This applies a script combining multiple filters to achieve a vintage photograph effect. You can also use third-party plugins. Gimp allows the installation of third-party plugins to extend its functionality, including additional filters. But make sure to download plugins only from trusted sources to avoid security risks. Exploring and experimenting with filters is an integral part of the joy of image editing. Gimp's extensive filter options, coupled with the ability to integrate third-party plugins, offer a versatile and powerful platform for both beginners and advanced users. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.